My message this afternoon is not towards Nigerian as a whole, but towards my fellow brothers and sisters, my mothers and fathers in the Southwest, called the Yorubas. The Yorubas, what is the problem with you? What is wrong with you? Who has placed a curse upon you, the Yorubas? Who has the Yoruba people offended? Why are we like this? I'm only telling you plainly, factually, that it is not the Hausas or the Hausa Fulanis that are your enemies. Your enemies are within. The enemy of the Yorubas are the Yorubas themselves. Who has been responsible for Awolowo not making him to be the president of Nigeria? It is the traitors among the Yorubas. It is the bastard among the Yorubas. We know them. We read history. We knew everything. Somebody like me, I happen to be one of the first pioneer members of free primary education in 1955. I can speak a lot about Nigeria, about Western region. Myself and even the present head of state, General Muhammadu Buhari, we are in the same age bracket. We are over 70. We are both over 70. So I can speak authoritatively with the political situation of Nigeria. I don't want to go far about when we were amalgamated in 1914 or thereabout. But let me just continue to speak of when the Southwest had their autonomy, when we were ruling ourselves, when we are developing in our space. What happened? What brought us to where we are today? It is the Yoruba within the Yorubas, the enemy within the Yorubas. We started very well. The Western region, we had television before the Federal Republic of France. Where are we today? Our education is a comatose. They bacanize our infrastructure. We are already down. They say, who is on the ground? Fear no fall. We are already falling. We are falling. We are down. The Yorubas are down. And the traitors among us are responsible for this. And they don't care what happens to the Yorubas. The legacy of our forefathers have been destroyed. And they are so happy with it. I give kudos to the leaders that are still within us, who are still alive. Professor Akitoye, kudos to you. The Baba Adebanjos, kudos to you all. We hear your activities. We hear what you are doing as patriotic Yoruba sons. We have some women too. But mark you, the bastard among us, the traitors among us, cannot allow us to go unless we deal with them. Unless we mark them down. Don't focus on the Hausas, on the Yoruba, on the Fulanis. Focus on the enemy within the Yoruba eclipse. We have them in abundance who are our enemies. They don't want our children to move forward. Look at our children. Look at graduates. Where are they? They become fraudsters. They become ritualists. They become internet fraudsters. For goodness sake, how could people be so wicked? How could people be selling their people to slavery? The Yorubas, rise up. Sharpen your eyes. Open your eyes very well. Sharpen your brain. Look inward. When you continue to say, yes, you want to go. Where do you want to go? But if the opportunity comes, I can tell. Let me just send this note of warning to those who are leading us, the political leaders in Nigeria today. There's a proverb that says, the sluggishness or the slowness of a lion does not connote cowardness. The Yorubas, we're not coward at all. If you want to fight, we know the way to fight. We fight with intellectual sagacity. We fight with everything at our Amori. We're not cowards. We're only taking time. But the crops of leaders we have in Nigeria today can save Nigeria by total restructuring Nigeria, a total federalism. Everything short of that will not pay Nigeria. Nigeria is sick right now. Nigeria is sitting on a keg of gunpowder. It can explode anytime. Nigeria is sick. Nigeria is in the ICU, intensive care unit. Nigeria is being supported by life machine. And if we allow this machine to switch off, that's so calamitous for Nigeria. So don't let us think about war. War is not ideal. I'm a man of God. I don't pray for war. I don't pray for bloodletting. That will not pay us. Let us be together. Let every region develop at its own pace. The present crop of system we are operating is satanic. Democracy is good, but that's not the way they are practicing democracy in America or in United Kingdom or other Western world. No. We took democracy from them, but we are practicing it in a satanic form. Demons has taken over our sense of reasoning. Enough is enough. The Yorubas, look into yourselves. The enemy within. Until you deal with them, you're going nowhere. A word is enough for the wise. God bless you.